How to create a QR code link for a Google Map location. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a Google Maps QR code for a specific location. Let me just quickly go ahead and select any location over here. Let's just do this, East Park. You can just tap on it, and then you can tap on Share. Now it will create a link for the location. I can just copy the link. And then what you're going to have to do next is go to Canva. It's easier with Canva, but you can use other apps or website as well. Now, what you're going to have to do is tap on Create and then go to Custom Size. Here, you're going to have to enter 1080 by 1080p. So let's just do 1080 by 1080. All right, so now tap on Create a new design. It will give you a blank space like this over here. All you have to do is find the apps section on the bottom left of the screen and then type in QR code. Once you search for it, you can click on the first one over here, paste the URL that you just copied, generate code, and it's going to give you the code over here. Now you can just extend this, make sure that it fits on your 1080 by 1080, and you should be good to go. Now that's basically it, guys. Now you can just tap on Share, tap on Download. You can download it as a PNG and you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.